This is a sugarcane juice machine, PT6-2HP from Phát company. And currently we are crushing 6 sugar canes in one press. With a 2 HP Japanese engine, it has very strong operating power. And with this 6-roller design, the sugarcane is squeezed drier. The roller is shaped like a diamond, making it more durable and squeezing the sugarcane drier. You just need to put the sugarcane in. The machine will press it once and it's done. The operating process is closed and hygienic. Users have little contact with sugarcane, safe to operate. And here, everyone can see in the clip. The pressed sugarcane juice has very natural foam. And now we continue to operate the machine to press sugarcane. The current camera angle helps everyone see the general view of the sugarcane juice press PT6-2HP. Our company's sugarcane juice machine is designed to be very compact. People can put it on a table, an available sales counter, or a mixing area, many other types of juice such as fruit juice. A compact sugarcane juice machine like this is very versatile and convenient to use. And now I will record the latest clip of our company's PT6-2HP press. As you can see in the clip, the top will have 3 rollers and the bottom will have 3 rollers. This is the stage when we put the sugarcane into the press, and this is the direction it comes out. The result after pressing is that the sugarcane residue is pressed dry and all the water is squeezed out. Therefore, our sugarcane juice press is very fast, healthy and safe and hygienic. Just put the sugarcane in a single press. It doesn't take much of your time. You can see again that the sugarcane residue after pressing has no more water and is dry. And this is the perfect sugarcane juice machine for your following solutions. Firstly, only once can the sugarcane be pressed. The machine will take all the juice from the Sugarcane. Sugarcane juice is delicious and hygienic. Third is safety for users. Fourth is saving your time and space. Then cook we king la mat lai and we see them engan vatin kint.